Hey guys, welcome back to JKM Tech and Hustle. This is Vanessa, and today I've got something super exciting for you. Did you know that your reward points can turn into real cash? Yes, you heard that right. Free money. In this video, I show you how to redeem and convert your rewards points to GCash using the new GlobeOne app. It's fast, easy, and you don't want to miss out. So if you love saving money and getting the most out of your rewards, make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Open the GlobeOne app, check your rewards points, tap on rewards section, look at your balance, how many points do you have. More points, more money, so let's put them to good use. Next step is to redeem your points. You need to convert to ShopeePay first. Here's where the magic happens. Find the ShopeePay voucher under the rewards section. Okay, let's start ShopeePay. Select the amount you want to convert and hit redeem. And then click on redeem. So there you have it. Next is to look for the GCash voucher in the rewards section. So you just click on this mark in red view vouchers. And then click on activate. Okay. And then it's gonna redirect you to this page. Click I'm not a robot. Click proceed. And then click on use. And then click to go to redemption form. It's gonna redirect you to another page again. Okay. And then once you're in this page, you just have to fill up all these tabs. Phone number again, email address, agree to terms and condition, and then click on redeem. And then after that, you will receive this ShopeePay confirmation that you have successfully redeemed your points. So your points is now in ShopeePay. So after this, let's open ShopeePay to move it to GCash. Next is open the ShopeePay app and then click on send money and then other e-wallets. Mine, I save it already, so it's already here. So you just type in the information here, the full name, e-wallet, which is GCash, and then type the phone number and then click on this save recipient. That way you don't have to redo it again. This. Heads up, there's a 15 pesos charge when transferring from ShopeePay to GCash. So the smart move is instead of cashing out small amounts, accumulate your points first before converting it. This way you save transaction fees and you get more value from your rewards. Pro tip is wait for your points to have it at least 100, 200, 300, 400, or 500 or more so that it will be worth of points before transferring it. It's worth the wait. So you see there's a 15 pesos charge and then just send money now and enter your PIN. And then there you have it. It's in GCash, finally in GCash. So next is proof that it's in your GCash. To confirm that your money has successfully transferred, simply open your GCash app, tap on the transaction tab, And there you have it. Cash in from ShopeePay 85. Easy, right? Now you can use it for load, bills, or whatever you like. Just like that, you've turned your rewards points into real cash. Like this video if you found this helpful. Comment below how many points you have redeemed. Please share it. Subscribe for more money saving hacks. Don't wait for your points to expire, so redeem them now and enjoy your free GCash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy redeeming! Bye!